Hey everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to back up your computer to Google Drive automatically. Let's get into it. First, download and install the Google tool. Go to the Google Drive website and look for the button that says Download Drive for Desktop. Open the file you just downloaded and follow the simple instructions to put it on your device. This program acts like a bridge. It allows your computer to send your files up to the internet without you having to do it yourself every day. Next, sign in to your Google account. You need to tell the program which online storage box belongs to you so it knows where to put your files. When the program opens, click the button to Sign in with Browser. Type in your email and your secret password to link your setup. Signing in ensures that your documents are kept private and safe in your own personal space. Next, choose which folders to protect. Now you need to pick the specific places on your computer that have your most important things, like your desktop or your picture folder. Open the program settings and find the section that says Add Folder. Pick the folders you want to keep safe and make sure the box for sync with Google Drive is checked. By picking these folders, you are telling the computer exactly what to watch. Whenever you add a new file to these folders, the program will notice and copy it for your backup. Click the Save button and look for the small Google Drive icon near the clock at the bottom of your screen. And that's it. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.